Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix high ping on Roblox. In order to fix this issue, just go to your browser on your PC. Now type Roblox support. Now tap on the first link in the result. Now scroll down on this page and try to find the issue. Here you will find a serial number. Just copy it. Now go back to your PC and go to firewall settings. Now this might take a time to load. Just follow my steps. Now once you're in the firewall settings, just add the serial number that you copied. And there you go. Now you just have to add your name and description here. And there you go. Your problem will be solved now. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.